Bagel one.
Wow.
Want me to do it again, Mom?
Yeah. Slow.
Watch this. I can do it.
Oops.
Are we going to
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I'm going to bring you through my day to get it all done. I have been trying to take it easy and trying to be as realistic as possible when it comes to getting it all done in one day. I just feel like that's not possible for me, but I'm working on it. If you're new here, I'm pregnant with our fourth, and I will fill you in on the next video on some challenges that I've had with this pregnancy, and it's making things a bit difficult around the home. So welcome if you're new. I would love it if you stuck around. We are starting our day with some protein bagels. I bet you are, I guess, tired of hearing about protein-rich meals. I mean, everywhere I turn, that is what people are talking about, but I feel like it's important, and if you are pairing your protein with a good fiber, a good source of fiber, I really don't see the harm in it. So I'm doing some Greek yogurt. It calls for not all-purpose flour, but some bread flour, activated flour. You can just do like a teaspoon and a half of baking powder with your regular flour and it should turn out fine. I am lacking some things in the kitchen since we're still getting moved in here, so I'm just taking this egg wash and spooning it on, but it would look a lot nicer if you had a brush, and we picked one up the other day, so yay for us. I'm gonna bake these in the oven and I'm gonna serve them up with some classic breakfast and then get some things done around the house. I have been slacking when it comes to setting some items up, so I want to thank Rugflix for sponsoring today's video. I will show you a beautiful piece for our living room that they sent over to us. I get so very excited to have products to share with you that are affordable and useful but well made. I feel like that's super important to have quality products out there, and I can't wait to show you, so stay tuned. Hi Millie. Bye.
Whoa.
Let's go look at the flowers. Ooh, I see some flowers. Look. Look at. Say hi, windflowers. Wow. Look how many. Wow. At this point of my morning, the overwhelm set in. These boxes are being delivered while I'm just so grateful, like I've said before. It's overwhelming for me and my personality to see all of that and think of what I need to do to set some of these affordable items up. But here we go. Okay, we are home now. I'm going to attempt to tackle this living room. We've kind of been living on camp chairs, but I waited for a few sales and found some good items. I have discussed before that thrift stores around me just have not been, I don't know, cutting it. I haven't seen any furniture, and then some of the furniture that I have seen is just too honestly, it's too expensive for the quality, and it's too heavy to haul on my own. So I have found that finding delivery that just comes straight to the door is the easiest thing. So I have a few things set up. I'm setting up a TV stand today, and then I'm going to tie everything together with this amazing rug. I can't wait to show you it. It's going to be absolutely beautiful in this room. So I'm excited to get that rolled out. Right now we just have cube storage here and some wooden bins just for some toys and knickknacks that the kids have. We usually do homeschool over in this area. As you can see, we're struggling with our boxes and our toys. We're just getting overrun with disorganization. We don't really thrive that way. So yes, the cube storage come in handy. And then I found this nice little love seat for under $170 on Walmart, I believe, but it came super compact, very easy to put together. It came with the pillows and it came very flat. So when I opened it, it was vacuum packed, if that makes sense. So it is a beige color, and I wouldn't necessarily call this a suede or a chenille. I really love it. It's wipeable, it's washable, and it's covered right now just so I can be careful. But say goodbye to the camp chairs. We have a nice seating area. So I'm gonna get this all set up and I will show you the after because I just think it's going to look amazing with this rug. This rug is an 8x10. I will have it linked for you and I will chat about it in a little bit, but I really am loving that. It will just kind of bring some warmth to this area. Alrighty, here's how everything's looking. I'm super excited. This definitely exceeded my expectations because I talked about this home and the coloring before. It's just very cool toned and I would say we're more neutral. I don't know if homey is the right word, but we love those warm wooden tones. And I think bringing this together in different pieces of the home is the way to go with this. I really did think the gray would clash with the coloring, but I really enjoy it. I think the green is a nice touch, and with the yellow, all I'm seeing in here is some cream colors with a little pink hue, like a blush, which I really love. This carpet is so soft, and I love that it's washable. With 3 kids, almost a 4th coming, that's definitely going to be needed. But this with our nice TV stand, things are slowly coming together. And then the couch here that Millie's on, we will be moving eventually, and we would like to do, I guess, an L coming across here. So the 8x10 is a great size. I always love the larger rugs, and I love that there are options here. So yes, this is what it's looking like. We will probably put a bookshelf over here and enjoy some fire when the time comes. But yay, I'm super excited. Again, I will link this rug. And a big shout out to Rugflix. This is such a great product. It's affordable, and I think it's unique. I really haven't seen this coloring in a while. And again, I love that it's washable, affordable, and large. You will know I'm all about that. So things are slowly coming together. I'm going to get on with my day, but yay, a cozy spot for all of us to hang out in is exactly what this home needed. We quickly had some lunch and then went to Target and the feed store to try and find some chickens, but alas, there were none, but we did get our Target order, so yay. All right, we made it back. Millie and I are inside kind of cleaning up. The kids are outside because it's beautiful. We had some travels. They did not have any birds. When I asked about it, they seemed frustrated. So they probably got a lot of questions. But like I showed you, that coop was super cool. We'll talk about that in a second. But this is what we got. So I just got one of these Henley shirts that was $3.49 for this. And this is like a half tank top. We had the bird seed, but I wanted to get these for the kids for bird feeders out on the deck. We got some ciabatta bread and some of the Dave's Killer bread. Like I said, a lot of these were buy one, get one 50% off. So that's why I got 2 of each, and I kind of just based our things around it. So when it comes to the Dave's Killer bread, it doesn't have any enriched flours, but it does have canola oil. And honestly, for us personally, I will take it any day. Obviously, I'd love it without the seed oils and the enriched, but the enriched really does something to specifically my son and I when it comes to our like mental state, and you'd have to look into all of that, why that is. But yeah, I suggest if you feel not the best after eating like bread, I would really start to look in on that and why that is. So we just did like a hair tissue analysis, then we also did a blood test with the naturopath and found some things out. It was very telling. It's a little pricey, but totally worth it. But back to it. Dave's Killer Bread does have canola oil. That's super inflammatory. I don't love it, but that's what I grabbed. We have the organic Hass avocados. I had to double check because I wasn't sure if this was sprayed with a peel. From what I see, my store is not, but Target, notorious for partnering with the man that funds a peel. So look into that. Not even shocked at all, but yeah, these are safe. Blueberry white chocolate chunk scones for my husband's lunch. I don't know, wanted to switch it up. The worst looking bananas ever. Marinara sauce. Greek yogurt for breads. I wanted to make little mini pizza bites, and you just do this, and you can use bread flour or just regular flour with some baking soda in it, I believe, or baking powder, and it makes a really good high protein dough. I have heavyweight paper pads for watercolors. Hold on. I have some Annie's organic macaroni. My blackberries have mold on them, so you can see it like right there. I'm going to return them, so I'm just going to take a picture of that. I have some raspberries, cucumbers, oven roasted turkey breast, eggs. That's what they have available right now, and they were $6.99. And then low fat cottage cheese. I found so many egg stands, not so many. I found like 3, and I'm just too late, so I have to get there earlier to get our eggs for the week until we get some chicks that start laying. And then some organic whole milk. And then I forgot to mention, we always get water at wherever we are. I'd prefer it to be in glass, but it's not in the funds right now until we get our water situated when it comes to drinking. So I'm going to get this all put away, cold stuff, have a snack, and then I will link back up with you. We ended up visiting some of my family up north and came down for my dad's famous ham and bean soup that I've tried to recreate over the last couple of years. If you've been here for a while, that's what it's supposed to look like. And we just had some time enjoying the outdoors and the beautiful weather. It was super nice down there. A lot of bugs, but the kids love skipping rocks in the river and just having a good time with their family. So yes, I'm going to end my little get it all done vlog here. I feel like it's important to relax after a day getting it all done. So I hope you check out Redflix. Again, I will link everything you need in the description box, but again, super affordable and a large rug. So if you're in the market, definitely would highly recommend. It's so well made and it's washable. So yay, perfect for pets, but more importantly, perfect for kids too. I hope you're doing well out there, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will catch you on the next one. Stay adventurous, stay creative. Bye y'all.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling